Hello fam, so here I am with my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul part 1 because there will be a part 2 very soon. I'm still awaiting few products from here and there, but yes, this is the part 1 wherein you will discover some luxe, some drugstore, skincare, makeup, as well as in between I will be showing you a small winter skincare routine of mine. So without any further ado, let's get started. So there are too many products in the basket. Why not start this video with some skincare? First is a product which is a complete repurchase. I've started using it already because mine is completely over the older one. Is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5 Hyaluronic Acid. I absolutely love this product, so I had to repurchase it in the sale, and why not save some money on the skincare products which you absolutely love and you can get it under discount. And I think ये थोड़े लंबे time तक मेरे साथ लगा रहेगा is the hyaluronic acid. There are too many brands who have been launching, but I was like, no. A lot has happened during this 2.5 months on my skin also, which I will talk through. But yes, this product has stayed back and I repurchased it the full size again. So yes, if you haven't tried the hyaluronic acid and if you are someone who is looking or want to invest into a hyaluronic acid, then L'Oreal can be one of those options. But try the smaller bottle first. If you don't like it, then at least you will save up a little on your purchase. Next up, after using the L'Oreal hyaluronic acid, I thought ki chalo, let me try more products from this range. So L'Oreal has been launching silently nowadays. So इन्होंने अपनी Revitalift hyaluronic acid plumping day cream भी launch की है. I must tell you, I have always loved L'Oreal moisturizer, but this is the first one I did not enjoy it on my skin because इसको लगाने के बाद मुझे फेस पे काफ़ी छोटे छोटे बम्स आए, काफ़ी मतलब, and it's on my neck. I don't know how much you can see. You cannot see these bumps, but I have a lot, and there were a lot on my face as well, which I had to fix it. I'll show you those products in some minute. But yes, not something I enjoyed it. It is a thick moisturizer. एक और चीज़ इस moisturizer के बारे में, it says it is hyaluronic acid plumping day cream. Plumping, I can say that I could see a little plumping, but hydrating थोड़ा lacking है. मुझे लगता है ये बहुत hyaluronic acid वाली cream है, but hydration lack करता है इस moisturizer में. It's not the best for winters also. So yes, this is something which I can actually use in summers as my moisturizer because it is not going to be super hydrating on my skin because I'm a combination to oily skin. But abhi ke liye I did not enjoy this, but I have to use it because it is a full size product and it is expensive. इसी रेंज से मैंने एक और प्रोडक्ट खरीदा जो अगेन has not behaved well onto my skin. Is the L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cleanser, Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Now एक बात तो बोलनी पड़ेगी, it is an hydrating cleanser. After putting this cleanser on your face, you will not feel drying at all. आप moisturizer नहीं भी लगाओगे तो it's okay for the whole day, I'm telling you, because I was so busy that I was definitely missing my skincare. I was skipping on certain steps and इस cleanser से मुंह धो लेती थी मैं and I was sorted. But during that process, it did damage my skin also because it is over hydrating, and secondly, it again added a lot of small bumps. So yes, not something I enjoyed it. Will I be using it further? Yes, I am still using it, but with combination of other skincare products. So yes, I will still use it and finish it off. Not something I would recommend oily skin to buy for themselves. Now let's move on to some lipsticks by Nykaa. Now before jumping into the Nykaa lipsticks, I am definitely missing a lot of new launches. So if you guys can help me with all the new launches which happened in past 2 months. Yes, I know some of the few launches, you will know in this video also, but I am definitely missing a lot. थोड़ा off chart हूँ मैं, but I will try to go through Nykaa and find out what all I missed. But I happen to add 2 more shades from Nykaa Paint Sticks. They launched, I think, 8 more new shades. I feel I have to grab 2 shades. I'm really liking the shade family they have launched. And if you haven't checked my whole compilation of Nykaa lipsticks, do watch that video. ये एक ऐसा फॉर्मूला है जो मुझे पर्सनली बहुत पसंद है. तो जब मैंने ऑफर देखा, okay, so we happen to drop the box again. So ये ऑफर था buy one get one. I just couldn't resist and I had to get these 2 shades. तो एक शेड मैंने लिया है, शेड नंबर 19. एंड दूसरा शेड है शेड नंबर 15. बॉक्स नीचे गिर गए तो शेड नेम भी नीचे ही चले गए अभी. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी मेंशन्ड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन as well as on the screen. I will try to put everything. So yes, I got 2 more shades and I love the formula. Let me just quickly swatch this shade for you. Wait. This is the shade 19. Oh my god. It looks so creamy, so juicy. And the next shade I picked up is the shade number 15, which again looks very nice. This is like my kind of a shade. Oh my god, who is not gonna love this shade? Oh, both the shades are good. Both the shades are good. So yes, I happened to buy 2 paint sticks from Nykaa, and then I went back and bought 2 more lipsticks from Nykaa, and they are the Nykaa So Matte lipsticks. And I don't think so इन्होंने इसमें और कोई shades ऐड की, because this range already has a lot of shades. And again इस पे भी offer था buy one get one. So I picked up the shade called Hot Shot Espresso. This is just calling my name. Should I be swatching it or should I just leave it? No, let me just swatch it, or maybe just see which is the other shade I have. Okay, let me just swatch it. Okay, so the other shade is the Hot Shot Espresso. This is the Hot Shot Espresso. Reason of me getting this shade was winters, and I love browns. Like browns can go wrong also, but I just love browns. And this is the shade called Dirty Peach, which I'm not going to swatch because I don't see myself wearing this shade. It looked very my kind of a shade, but I think a lot more other people would enjoy it, so we'll just keep it back into the bullet and we'll keep this aside for the next giveaway. Let's move on to some more new skincare products. And yes, these 2 products have already been part of my winter skincare routine. They are by Mamaearth, the Upton face wash as well as the Upton face mask. Both of these products are enriched with turmeric, saffron and apricot oil. Both of these products are free from parabens and silicones and phthalates. They are cruelty free. Mamaearth is a cruelty free and a vegan brand. Both are all skin type, so any skin type can just freely pick up these 2 products and include it into their skincare routine. Mamaearth products are dermatologically tested as well. One more interesting thing about Mamaearth is they recycle more plastic than they use, as well as there is another interesting thing which I just would like to mention is that whenever you buy a product from Mamaearth website, they happen to plant a tree or a plant on name of you, or whichever order you place they will plant a tree on your name. So that's quite interesting, and that's really, you know, nature oriented, and that really reflects brand positivity towards nature. So yes, that is something which you will receive it in your mail. They actually send you the location as well, which I have actually received it. So yes, that's quite interesting, and I really like brand actually taking a step forward towards nature and saving the planet. Talking about these 2 products, how to use them, what benefits these 2 products have it on your skin. Talking about the ingredients, you know, turmeric, saffron. Turmeric is more of your anti-inflammatory ingredient, which is going to heal your skin as well as revive your skin. Saffron is a cooling agent, and it is going to add brightness as well as again rejuvenate your skin. And apricot oil is going to add a lot of hydration while you apply your face or clay mask, because yes, sometimes when you put a clay mask, when you wipe it off, you do feel dehydrated, but ingredients like this do add a lot of nourishment as well as keep your skin hydrated. How to use this product? You know how to use your cleanser. Just take a pea-sized amount of product, massage it on your skin for 60 seconds if you want, and wash off your skin. You have that squeaky clean face, but the face wash doesn't dry out your skin. You still have a nice hydrated skin going on, and you can take your own sweet time, 15 to 20 minutes, and go in with your moisturizer. Next up, you can go in with the Upton face mask. So what I basically do, I wash my face, take the mask, apply it all over my skin, drag it to my neck, and let it dry, or let it sit, I would say, for 15 minutes, and then wash it off. You really don't have to wait for 30 minutes to dry down completely. You just need 15 minutes, and there you have your nice brightened up, rejuvenated skin. The whole purpose of this Upton range is to add brightness, rejuvenation and remove the tan and give you more of a corrected and even skin tone. So there you know all about these two interesting lovely products by Mama Earth. So if you want to grab these two products for yourself for your winters, then you can get it from Mama Earth website. Do use the coupon code right on the screen and you can get some additional discount and save some money. Let's move on to some more interesting products. Let's move on to some makeup. Why not just see some more makeup in this video? So I did happen to pick up a lot of MAC products, which I will show you at the end of the video. So let's move on to some Nykaa again. So Nykaa happened to launch their Nykaa Insta Dry Nail Enamels. Now frankly speaking, when these were launched, I just got a little excited. I came to know about this launch after 3 days of the launch. So definitely I was late, but never mind, I got it and I'm wearing one of the shades on my hands. This is the shade called Raspberry Regram. Now, there's a story to tell. They are definitely insta dry. They dry very quickly. Even the second coat dries very fast. So it's not like you have to sit for hours and let it dry completely. The only con, or I think it can be a concerning con for everyone, is that they start chipping very fast. Like, मैंने आज लगाया, मतलब in the late morning before filming basically, around 12:30 or so. And I ate my lunch. I washed 2-3 utensils, but they came off. Like they have already come off from the ends. It's very shabby looking now. They don't look very neat. They don't look very pleasant. So yes, this is the con to these nail polishes. But agar instantly kuch lagana hai and you just have to go out for some function, then they can be a little handy. But I do have more nail paints which are much better. I feel they also dry faster and they don't look shabby after first wash. So yes, for the price I do feel they do lack on quality or the staying on the nail paints. So yes, I did pick up 4 shades, out of which I can show you only 3 I feel, because ek aur maine lagai thi ek din and I happen to keep it somewhere. So the other shade I happen to pick up is Hazel Light. So I did happen to pick up these 2 interesting shades. And the other shade is Mauve Massage, which is super light shade, which I'm going to wear it someday. I will try to swatch all of these shades and post it on Instagram. So look out for some interesting reviews on Instagram. I know I've been very much liking on my Instagram as well. But yes, this is another shade I picked up. There's another shade called Coral Something, which is more of a peachy orangey shade, which is very nice. Again, the problem is they chip very fast. Like, it's like you apply it today and you have to remove it in certain hours and you have to reapply a fresh nail paint. You just can't, isko lagane ke baad you can't do any household jobs. Yes, that's the reality with these nail paints. Next up, I picked up a few K-Beauty products. Now K-Beauty had their anniversary also, and then Black Friday also happened. So I wanted to grab 2 things. One lipstick and one eyeliner, but एक चीज उसके साथ free मिल रही थी combo में, so I was like, never mind. So I happened to get this nail paint free called Sweet Song. I do feel I have a nail paint like this, so I'm not going to use it. Maybe we'll just keep it for a giveaway. So it's a very nudie shade, Sweet Song. So I will not be using it. Next up, I did happen to get this K-Beauty Eye Stylist Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black, जो मैंने अभी तक use भी नहीं किया है. जैसा कि मैंने कहा, today was the first day I wore makeup after such a long time. So yes, this is an eyeliner. I already have shade Violet in this, and अब मुझे अच्छा लगता है ये लगाना applicator wise. So I thought I will buy a black one also. So that is why I have bought it. I've talked about this part in many other videos of mine that I will be buying the liquid liner in the black shade. Next up, I picked up the K-Beauty lip crayon in the shade Rumor. I have seen Beauty Co wearing this shade a lot of times. Like, it looks so good on her. So I was like, I need to get this. So technically, I have now 6 to 7 shades out of this range, and I have not worn this shade. So I'm removing the seal in front of you only, and let's see how it is. Oh my god. And this is another problem with K-Beauty lipstick, that they are coming out of the pencil and a lot of products get damaged. See, I just happen to damage a lot of products. So we'll swatch. Oh my god, this is the shade Rumor. I think this is the first time I've got so many different shades of lipstick. Generally सारी एक जैसी हो जाती हैं, but I'm really liking this shade as well. So yes, we'll use it in some other video and show you, and we'll talk about it further. Next up, I picked up a product from Calabar. Is the Calabar Water Bomb Magic Water Primer. मेरा actually जो पहला वाला है वो ख़त्म हो गया है, मतलब ख़त्म हो गया है वो, and I had to repurchase it because I absolutely love this product for my skin. I'm a combination to oily, but then this is the right amount of hydration for my skin type, and winters में this can be one of your best base products included with a good primer and you're sorted. Though it is a primer, it is a primer water bomb, but it is more of your moisturizing primer, so you can use it as a moisturizer also on everyday basis. So yes, I've been using it more as my everyday moisturizer also nowadays. So yes, this is one of my favorite products. So I had to repurchase it. So ये काफ़ी अच्छा ऑफर में मिल रहा था मुझे, तो I was like, let's just not miss this deal and get some products which I absolutely love. Next up, I picked up a product which was onto my wish list. Is the Renee Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Pandora Pink. आज मैंने अपने cheeks पे ये shade बहुत पहना है और nose पे भी. That is why I am too blushy today. And I just went a little overhand because I was looking very dry since morning, so I wanted to add color to my cheeks, so never mind. So this is how it comes in a nice black box, and this is how the cheek tint would come. There's a lot of cheek tint here and this will cost you I think $650 or $750, I don't remember the price. So this is how the shade Pandora Pink looks like. It's a nice pink. It's not that shocking pink, it's a nice mauvey pink, and I really like the formula. It has stayed really well onto my cheeks and I really like the formula, and आज मैंने पहली बार इसे use किया and I'm really loving how it is showing my cheeks. It's too pigmented but it blends so nicely onto the skin. Again an interesting purchase, and I'm happy that I and I happened to drop it again. This happens. Okay, never mind, वो टूटा नहीं है. That's the best thing. The packaging is really good on it. Now let's move on to some more products. So I happen to pick up a Lakme product. So Lakme ने बीच में lip glosses launch किए थे, but for some reason I was not able to get it. मैं सब कुछ खरीद लेती हूँ, कभी कभी मैं वो चीज़ें नहीं खरीद पाती जो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम से खरीदना चाहती हूँ. One of them is the Lakme lip glosses. So I happen to pick up one shade only, because I don't feel that I should be buying 5x shades from lip glosses from one brand. It is always better to have options in different formulas. So yes, I happen to get this lovely lip gloss and it looks nice. I've not used it. आज आपके सामने सील खोला है मैंने इसका, and this is in the shade Spotlight Lip Gel Creme Caramel, and let's just swatch it somewhere. Oh, it looks nice. This is the Lakme one. Oh my god, it is definitely glossy. I'm really liking it. So this is again an interesting purchase I did, and yes, I think I'm going to use it a lot. Mask है, mask हम पहनते हैं, but for how long can we resist ourselves from such amazing creamy formula lipsticks? And I must tell you, there was this time when everybody wanted to buy only mattes, but now there is a time when everybody wants to shift to creamy mattes or creamy lipsticks, because I feel we have tortured our lips a lot. Now they need some breathing time, and these creme lipsticks do add up. Now let's move on to some Verified. So I'm wearing the shade called Boop from Verified, and I must tell you, congratulations to Anam. She has really done an amazing job with the first launch, and I'm looking forward to more interesting makeup products by her. But getting the first lipstick, because getting a lipstick may sound very easy, but when you have so many different formulas and so many different brands already existing and getting so many different formulas, and you already have your favorites and you know which brand does it well for you all the time, उस भीड़ में एक ऐसा फॉर्मूला लाना जो लिटरली ऑन पॉइंट, सबको अच्छा लग जाए और सारे शेड्स अच्छे हों, इट्स नॉट एन ईजी टास्क, एंड आई मस्ट टेल यू शी हैज़ डन एन अमेजिंग जॉब हियर. So I happen to get two shades. One is Boop and second is Letela. Maybe I just butchered the name, so sorry. So these are the two lip shades. I really like the packaging. everything I like about this lipstick. It just not, see these, I purchased these lipsticks, so all thoughts are mine. मुझे किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोलने के लिए बोला है यहाँ पे. So Anam doesn't know who I am. So yes, I picked up 2 shades and I must tell you I will buy 2 more shades and do a complete swatch video also for you. Wait a little more longer. So yes, I happen to get these 2 and I must tell you मैंने लेटला तो पहनी ही नहीं अभी तक because I just couldn't get my eyes off boob. When I was buying the shade boob, I was a little scared कि will I be able to wear it as much, but I must tell you जब से बूब मैंने लगाई है मेरी लिपस्टिक की बुलेट की हालत देखो आप. And the lipstick, I've already used like half, like not half, but at least I've used like 30% of the lipstick because I've been just wearing this lipstick. Like this shade is something which can go on with any kind of eye look, any makeup, no makeup, every day. Like you can just carry this one lipstick and roam around and it just looks flattering. So this is one shade which can complement like all across all skin tones. The second shade which I have is Laetala, which I have also not opened and seen. This is how it is, and again I feel I'm going to love this. Maybe today will be the first day I will use it. So I will swatch it for you. This is like a perfect brown nude, warm brown nude, and you can see this is like my kind of shade. You know how much I love these shades. So I am amazed with the formula. It's non-drying, it doesn't transfer. You eat your lunch, the lipstick is going to be there. Like मैंने lunch खाया है और lipstick अभी भी है. I didn't have to do any kind of touch-ups. Seriously, no touch-ups needed. At least in my case, I don't need any kind of touch-ups with this lipstick. And even after 9 hours of application of this lipstick, you would not feel drying on the lips, as well as you don't feel that your lips feel cracked. At least in my case, I don't feel it. Lip to lip भी vary करता है. अगर आपके lips already drying है, then the lipstick may perform a little different on your lips. But my lips are good conditioned, so they sit absolutely wonderful on my lips, and they are at least fully approved. Review का wait मत करो, कुछ shades ले लो. You will not. You will come back to me and say that yes, these are something which to be invested in, and you are just going to love all the shades. I feel all the shades would complement like 99% of Indian skin. Maybe 1 or 2 shades can go a little off on you, but I feel, as I said, 99% of the shades will complement all Indian skin tones. So that was all about Verified. Now let's move on to some MAC. Some MAC nahi, a lot MAC happened. Matlab, I never thought I would buy so much of MAC cosmetic at one go like this, but deals and crazy campaigns and crazy collaborations, I would say. First up, we'll talk about the MAC and Shreya Jain collaboration. Oh my god, I had to get this. Reason being the price point, the shades which she picked up, and you're getting 3 full-size lipsticks. That's crazy. And I think its pricing है 2950. I must tell you, it's not even a price of 2 full-size lipsticks. So technically I did not even pay price for 2 full-size lipsticks. So it was definitely a steal because 1 full-size lipstick of MAC will cost you 1750 or 1690. So definitely you're paying way less compared to any other day. And I really like all the 3 shades on her, and I did happen to check more swatches and I felt let me just grab this set. So जब मैं ये set ले रही थी उस दिन एक और offer था जिसमें मुझे एक और full size product free मिला. Do watch the video, you will know which product. Let's get started with the मतलब the box, and let's move on to the 3 lipsticks. I really don't want to drop them, so let's be very careful. So these, they came into this kind of a package. Now please tell me, do you also receive your lipstick like this? Because this is something which I did not like. They should have packed it in like 3 different boxes of these 3 lipsticks, or maybe in some protective gear, because कभी-कभी ऐसे movement में lipstick टूट भी जाती हैं. Now the first lipstick I have is called Chili, and this is a nice red which I'm not gonna swatch as of now. I'm not swatching any of the 3 lipsticks. The second I have is the shade called Twig, a lovely shade. Why am I not swatching? Because I'll do a complete swatch video in some other video. And the last shade we have called Verve, which I definitely see myself wearing a lot. And this is a perfect brown mauve tone lipstick, which I'm going to love in my winters. So do look out for the swatch videos in the coming future. And with this whole set, I happened to get a full-size product free, and guess what I got? Something which I have never loved from MAC, Soft and Gentle, but this time I got a different formula and a different shade. Is the, what do you call them, MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish Highlighters. This is how it looks like. The price of this highlighter is 3,100 as much as I remember, and this is in the shade called Whisper of Guilt. And this is your nice soft gold kind of a highlighter. Wait, I'll give you a little close up. Okay, this is too much of a light. I don't know how much you can see. See, this is how the highlighter is. Too much of a light it is. See. So I have not even touched this highlighter even once. I will use it definitely, and I must tell you, these are fresh pieces by MAC, so it's not something कि expire हो रहा तो MAC ने सोचा चलो free बांट देते हैं, वो वाली situation नहीं है यहाँ पे. So yes, I could just get like one full size product free. Apart from this full size product, I happen to get more free products by MAC, which I received it with another MAC product which I happen to get, is the MAC Art Library Flamboyant eyeshadow palette, जिसकी कॉस्टिंग थी 4950. अभी इसकी कॉस्टिंग हो गई है 5200 on Nykaa as well as MAC Cosmetic website, even on Sephora India website. इसकी प्राइस बढ़ा दी उन्होंने. So I'm happy to get it. This is what I'm wearing today on my eyes, I must tell you, and I absolutely love my eye look today. Basically the performance of the eyeshadow in this palette is like, so yes, this is how the palette looks like. 5200 में आपको बहुत basic लगेगी packaging, but आपको जब हाथ में मिलेगी तो you will love it. And this is my first ever MAC eyeshadow palette. I have used a single eyeshadow by MAC, but I've never used a palette. And this is one of their newest launches also. Oh my god, when I got this palette, I was like, this is like wow. Wow, it is. Oh my god. Today I used like 3 shadows and I love all the 3. I see myself using this palette more because you know this color story, and I feel most of our Indian girls would love this palette because of the color story. It is festive, it is your everyday palette also because you have some cool tones, some nice soft peaches also, but the pigmentation is really high. Shimmer, matte, like first impressions, amazing. So yes, I bought this palette. Technically, I did not buy this palette. Actually, my brother picked it up. Yes, I did not pay for it. So yes, he bought this palette for me. And with the palette, I happened to get another MAC lipstick free. Now, I don't know which is that lipstick because I have definitely mixed all of my 4 lipsticks. So I happened to get this lipstick called Up the Amp. And this is more of your cool tone, pinky, mauve shade. This is how the lipstick looks like. I really don't know if I'll be able to wear it. Maybe I have to pair it up with a lip liner. Let's see, will I be using it or not. But yes, a full size lipstick free with this purchase I got. And then I happened to get this MAC Strobe Cream free, a smaller size. You know, one of the bigger sizes into my pan projects, so I've got this mini size also, which I will use it later. Let me use the bigger size. I already have it. I know how it performs. I really like the performance of this product. And I happened to get a small tester size Fix Plus as well. And I happened to get one more product which I don't happen to see it in my basket. And I happened to pick up another product by MAC when I was buying that Shreya Jain kit, just to make up my bill so that I can get a free product. Is this MAC in Extreme Dimension 24-Hour Kajal eyeliner. I already have a Technocool by MAC. I really like it, and this is like a mini size version, just to make my bill so that I can get the free product. So this was definitely a good deal because this is only for 600 something, 675 rupees. So yes, this chota you can do cheating with yourself and get the free products. So yes, this is another interesting product which I happened to get. So I did happen to buy a lot of MAC products and get a lot of free products with MAC Cosmetics, sorry. And I can try a lot of different things, a lot of different formulas, and let you know how do I feel about MAC products in general, because you know my thoughts on certain products, but these are definitely something new into my vanity, and I will try to talk about these in some upcoming future videos. Now let's move on to another interesting product which I happen to get, and I have to grab it from that table, so I will just be here in a minute. And talking about this huge last product which I happen to buy, again this here I could save 10%, and again this was more of a gift only, but since Black Friday was happening, so I was like, this is something which I would like to invest in. Now I really didn't needed this thing because I already have a lot of backup, but I thought this is a steal deal and I can get some amazing brushes. So I happened to invest in the PAC Cosmetics synthetic brush series. Now this will cost you $7,995, in which you get 25 brushes, which include your face as well as eye brushes. But here I could save 10%, and this brush set comes into a book kind of a thing. You open it. This I was not expecting. Many thi reading nahi ki thi. And you get the brush sets like this. I don't know, like this you get it. Maybe I'll try to give a close up. This is how the brush set would come. Maybe I'll just. So if you have been following me, you know that I really don't need to buy brush sets because I already have a lot of backup, and additionally I have a backup from PAC already. But when I got this deal and I was eyeing this brush set from the longest time, I could have bought it long time back, but then I was like, theek hai, this time I just made up my mind and I was like, okay, this is something which I would like to buy for myself. And yes, this is again gifted by my brother only. He only picked it up. So yes, he was in Delhi, so he happened to, when I was placing my orders, so he happened to buy this as well. So yes, thank you bhai. Yes, thank you to bolna banta hai. So yes, I am excited to use this set as well. Let's see when I'm going to use it, but yes, that is something which I was really excited, and when I received it I was like, amazing, because you know how much I love PAC brushes also. So there you know what all I happened to pick up in the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. But I must tell you, the products which I happened to pick up, most of them were not into my wish list. But there were certain things which I happened to grab, and you know how they perform onto my skin. So do take decisions wisely. You just don't have to buy everything I suggest. But yes, there are certain products which you can get into your winter skincare routine. They will definitely add up a lot. I will be listing down everything in my description, linking down everything. You can grab your products and do share your experience as well. And do let me know what all you picked up in Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I will be coming here with the part 2 as well, because I am awaiting certain products. Jaise hi wo aate hain, I will definitely show you all what all is there in the part 2. But yes, I am super excited about all of these things I happened to pick up, and excited to use it and show you how do they perform. I will be here soon with some more exciting and interesting videos. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @bronzinggi. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in my next one. Ta-da!